9. Find the square root of expression a4 by 64 plus aq by 8 minus a plus 1. Square root a4 by 64 plus aq by 8 minus a plus 1 is equal to square root a square by 8 whole square plus 2 into a square by 8 into a by 2 plus a by 2 whole square minus 2 into a square by 8 into 1 minus 2 into a by 2 into 1 plus 1 square is equal to square root a square by 8 plus a by 2 minus 1 whole square is equal to a square by 8 plus a by 2 minus 1. Answer. 10. Find the square root of expression x4 plus 2xq minus x plus 1 by 4. Square root x4 plus 2xq minus x plus 1 by 4 is equal to square root x square whole square plus 2 into x square into x minus 2 into x into 1 by 2 minus 2x square into 1 by 2 plus x square plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to square root x square plus x minus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to x square plus x minus 1 by 2. Answer. 11. Find the square root of expression minus 3aq plus 25 by 9 plus a4 minus 5a plus 67 by 12a square. Square root minus 3aq plus 25 by 9 plus a4 minus 5a plus 67 by 12a square is equal to square root a square whole square plus 5 by 3 whole square minus 2a square into 3 by 2a minus 2 into 5 by 2 into 3 by 2a plus 3 by 2a whole square minus 2 into 5 by 3 into a square is equal to square root a square minus 3 by 2a plus 5 by 3 whole square is equal to a square minus 3 by 2a plus 5 by 3. Answer. 12. Find the square root of expression x4 minus 2x plus 1 by 9 plus 29 by 3 x square minus 6x cube. Square root x4 minus 2x plus 1 by 9 plus 29 by 3 x square minus 6x cube is equal to square root x square whole square minus 2 into 3x into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 by 3 plus 3x whole square minus 2 into x square into 3x is equal to square root x square minus 3x plus 1 by 3 whole square is equal to x square minus 3x plus 1 by 3. Answer. 13. Find the square root of expression a4 by 4 plus a cube by x plus a square by x square minus ax minus 2 plus x square by a square. Square root a4 by 4 plus a cube by x plus a square by x square minus ax minus 2 plus x square by a square is equal to square root a square by 2 whole square plus 2 into a square by 2 into a by x plus a by x whole square minus 2 into a square by 2 into x by a minus 2 into a by x into x by a plus x by a whole square is equal to square root a square by 2 plus a by x minus x by a whole square is equal to a square by 2 plus a by x minus x by a. Answer. 14. Find the square root of expression x4 minus 2x cube plus 3 by 2 x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 16. Square root x4 minus 2x cube plus 3 by 2 x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 16 is equal to square root x square whole square minus 2 into x square into x plus x square plus 2 into x square into 1 by 4 plus 2 into x into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to square root x square minus x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equal to x square minus x plus 1 by 4. Answer. 15. Find the square root of expression x4 by 4 plus 4x square plus ax square by 3 plus a square by 9 minus 2x cube minus 4ax by 3. Square root x4 by 4 plus 4x square plus ax square by 3 plus a square by 9 minus 2x cube minus 4ax by 3 is equal to square root x square by 2 whole square plus 2x whole square plus 2 into x square by 2 into a by 3 plus a by 3 whole square minus 2 into x square by 2 into 2x minus 2 into 2x into a by 3 is equal to square root x square by 2 minus 2x plus a by 3 whole square is equal to x square by 2 minus 2x plus a by 3. Answer. 16. Find the square root of expression 9a square by x square minus 6a by 5x plus 101 by 25 minus 4x by 15a plus 4x square by 9a square. Square root 9a square by x square minus 6a by 5x plus 101 by 25 minus 4x by 15a plus 4x square by 9a square is equal to square root 3a by x whole square minus 2 into 3a by x into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 whole square plus 2 into 3a by x into 2x by 3a minus 2 into 2x by 3a into 1 by 5 plus 2x by 3a whole square is equal to square root 3a by x minus 1 by 5 plus 2x by 3a whole square is equal to 3a by x minus 1 by 5 plus 2x by 3a. Answer. 17. Find the square root of expression 16m4 plus 16 by 3m square n plus 8m square plus 4 by 9n square plus 4 by 3n plus 1. Square root 16m4 plus 16 by 3m square n plus 8m square plus 4 by 9n square plus 4 by 3n plus 1 is equal to square root 4m square whole square plus 2 into 4m square into 2 by 3n plus 2 into 4m square into 1 plus 2 by 3n whole square plus 2 into 2 by 3n into 1 plus 1 square is equal to square root 4m square plus 2 by 3n plus 1 whole square is equal to 4m square plus 2 by 3n plus 1. Answer. 18. Find the square root of expression 4x4 plus 32x square plus 96 plus 64 by x4 plus 128 by x square. Square root 4x4 plus 32x square plus 96 plus 64 by x4 plus 128 by x square is equal to square root 2x square whole square plus 2 into 2x square into 8 plus 8 square plus 2 into 2x square into 8 by x square plus 8 by x square whole square plus 2 into 8 by x square is equal to square root 2x square plus 8 by x square whole square is equal to 2x square plus 8 by x square. Answer.